Hi, so I am showing you the Ticketmaster bot now. So I have opened exe file, and as you can see the bot is now loading. So now we need to put the product key here and press enter, and then tweak the settings according to our need. We will just start the bot. So the bot has been started, and now it will open up the Chrome browser, and then it will start finding the tickets, and if there is any tickets the bot will just book that ticket right away. So it's now loading the page, and there are some tickets as you can see. So it has just go to the booking section, and as you can see it has the login page. Now you just need to do the login and complete the purchase. So this is how the bot works.